Okay, good morning. This morning we'll be making a pop-off for the breakfast. So now I go this morning with just a cup of flour, all-purpose flour. To sieve your flour. Okay, so after that we're going to add our yeast. If you're going for a cup of flour, you're going with a yeast of 5 ml, which you can call 1 teaspoon. Add your yeast, then you add your sugar. You're going with sugar of 30 ml or 31 ml, you can call 1/8 of your cup of sugar. Then you have your pinch of salt. Add your pinch of salt, just a pinch, that's it. And also, if you would like to add your nutmeg, it's optional, but I love it, so I do add nutmeg to my work to make my pop-off have a nice smell and inviting odor that cannot be resisted by anyone. So that is why I do have my nutmeg, but it is optional. If you don't want that, you may not add it. So now you mix everything, then now you get your water. I use instant yeast, so I'm going for warm water. So you add your water. You can make use of your hand, anyone you feel like using, but this morning I'm using my spatula. So you add the water gradually so that you won't pour it at a time and it won't be too much. Okay, because this is pop-off that we are making, it must draw and mix very well. Well mixed. And as you can see, I'm using a transparent bowl. Why? So I can see when my pop-off rise to the maximum level. Within 10 minutes, the pop-off would have risen. But if you are doing this for the first time, use a transparent bowl. As you can see, it must be well mixed. You mustn't have too much of sugar. Use the correct measurement. If you have too much of sugar, it will make the pop-off to sink in your vegetable oil and absorb more vegetable oil. If you have too much of your instant yeast, it will harden your pop-off. So you use the correct measurement. As you can see, my pop-off is now well mixed. So now we leave it for 10 minutes. And how do we do that? We cover it with our cling film to tighten it up. Okay, so now let's open our pop-off. Can we see? So now we can fry. Let's check. Okay, the little oil. From the pot to the plate, yeah, it's all up inside. Baking sweet dreams, watch it come alive. In my kitchen, it's where the magic thrives. So when your pop-up turn golden brown, then you can have it. It's ready. You can see. Yeah. Pop-up is ready. So we're gonna serve it this morning with tea for breakfast. So thank you for joining our class this morning. You also can try this out, and if you want to order, we are there for you. See you some other time. Bye.